In primetime news this evening, government says response systems in place even as Jamaicans prepare for weather system. Marine police urge fishers to evacuate high-risk coastal areas. And Troy Bridge concerns re-emerge as storm threatens the island.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, no Saturday opening for tax offices because of the impending weather. That plus what new era of expansion is JMB eyeing in the local economy, I'll tell you later on.
And Jordan Fort is also here for a preview of what's coming in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, the impending severe weather expected to affect the island over the next few days has already begun affecting the scheduling of sporting competitions. Schoolboy football has been rescheduled. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how have you been preparing for the impending storm?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.